Yo, Sunday, fresh home, check it. Flying through these back roads, shutting off some crack stones, up and down, in and out, busy billing track phones. My team get it in, your team slacks lows. No rest for the worker unless the clutch breaks or pack goes. Nokia stinging off, no eye dogs with passcodes. Racks out of cats flat, it's real when we mash roll. That straps through a cat flap and took the chase back home. Cutting frames and wristwatch, petty station pit stops. Came up giving top tick, you came up on TikTok. Flat bottom steering wheels, flicking through like Insta reels. CPS made him break, Milo ain't taking deals. Hood bando rocking coat, glizzy in a monkey coat. Lizzie died, thank God I still got these Scottish notes. Still take country trips, hit squad of crunching clips. Brown skins, transport my bricks with some lovely hits. GPS tracker tag, still running to the bag. Been home a couple weeks and nearly made 100 stacks. Me and them ain't the same, been through some different pain. Young folk should have signed me, I'm loyal to the grave. Kept my mouth closed for 2 years and didn't shed no tears. Back to horsepower trapping, flicking through these different gears. Hot, pass and go, getting rid of Cali lows. Just shot it £200 like I'm passing go. Used to get £1 for some sweets, now I'm in the streets with some pounds or some sweets. Went from spin tech on the BMX to spinners and techs from the B that we stretch. Lurking through the night like a red fox. Feds got me pissing in the bottle on the sweatbox. They're trying to wipe my team like 3 strikes out, but we're still major league like the Red Sox. Had to switch the flow quick, but watch me bring it straight back. Boot full of bottoms, got me driving with a straight back. Decam, cracked in the alley like a straight cat. Grease stamp, double M'd up like a Maybach. Geese gang, hella white birds, come and make racks. Hella white birds, come and make racks. Come and make racks. Hella white birds, come and make racks.
Legendary made this one.
They call me the loaf man, any violations, man throw bread on it. This new brick just came TT with a German footballer's head on it. Plus it's a new link, seeing all told little man that he's gotta bring that stick. I can see good signs already cause the bare red axle grease on a brick.